First up is the oil change. We're going to crawl under here and show you the drain plug. And it's kind of a small oil pan. There it is right there. And that is a 14 millimeter. Always wear kind of a heavy, longer glove when you're draining it, because you never know just how it's going to come out of there. Wow! We're just going to let that drain for a while and move on to the filter. Okay, to do the filter now, this cover is going to have to come off. And there are 4 screws, and I think there's 1 panel fastener that's in the way.
Be gentle on these, they strip easy.
That is 10 millimeter. There. That's the second one. Moving on to the third one. Okay, that's actually the last of the 10 millimeter bolts. This one right here, and then there's a counterpart on the other side. On the undercarriage here, grime can make these tough to remove.
Buy spares from a Subaru dealer.
God, that one's going to need to get a little. This one should have a little lube on it. Okay, now it comes. I couldn't get a good view, camera view of the filter coming out. I used a strap wrench like this to remove it. If you prefer a socket style, I'm measuring it here. 64 millimeter diameter and 14 flutes. You can let it drain on the screen.
Not too tight. That's about it.
So we're using a Wix. And don't forget to put a little motor oil on the gasket.
I'm doing it all by feel, so let me know if I'm not on there.
Can't tell.
It's on.
Hand tight only. 3/4 turns once it makes contact. Now let's look up the oil fill capacity. 4.5 quarts. So you want to leave half a quart in there. Hey, just about there, a little bit more maybe. Yes, done. Oh yeah, we got to put that cover back on. All right. Ooh.
Got it?
A couple panel fasteners. And one on the other corner. And that completes the oil and oil filter change. Okay, cabin air filter. Located behind the glove box. Pop it open.
Push the sides in.
Push the sides in.
Hold this.
Pull that little lever off. So
Sometimes
where the whole thing comes out. And in there it is. We just have to remove that little snap-in cover. The filter's behind there. A couple tabs that you have to release. So just pry this out at the corners. We're replacing everything with Wix today. And there's a new one.
This side up.
this side up. Make sure you put it in the right way. First, that little gas-charged piston arm. It just snaps on. Okay, let's move on to the engine air filter. Let's take a couple panel fasteners out, and then we can take this air intake duct out. Now we're also going to take a couple panel fasteners out that are on this unit above the throttle body. That's going to give us a little wiggle room to pull the filter housing apart. Any weight or anything behind me. We're also putting in a new Wix filter. I lost the box on this one though.
Sorry, I watched too many YouTube videos. Oh yeah, you got it on it really tight.
And that completes the engine air filter. We're all up to date on maintenance. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. More videos are on the way.